Kamusta? Welcome to Ate Buffet, where the flavors of the Philippines come to life in the heart of San Pablo City. At Ate, we believe that good food brings people together. Here at Ate, they will take you on a culinary journey back to our Philippine roots. Their menu is BUKID-based, inspired by the rich heritage and time-honored recipes passed down through generations. For just 88 pesos, you can savor the authenticity of Filipino cuisine with their special buffet. Indulge in the flavors of the BUKID and experience a feast like no other. But Ate is more than just a place to eat. It's a celebration of Filipino culture. Their warm and welcoming atmosphere makes every dining experience memorable. They have curated a menu that represents the diverse and delicious tastes of our beautiful country. At Ate, there's something for every palate. So why wait? Gather your friends and family and visit Ate Buffet, where every meal is a celebration of Filipino heritage. Discover the flavors, feel the warmth, and make memories that last a lifetime.